So Holi festival is nearing by. Even these bright colors are shining at night. Wow, I love it. We usually don't play Holi in our house, but I just hope that this time we play. Can you see those yellow, pink and white? In Telugu we call as Panchadara Chilkalu. I don't know in what you all will call in your own language. Please let me know in the comment section below. I love these. I love to taste these. And I prefer white color because white color doesn't have any food colors, and the remaining colors we cannot trust. Wow, the pitchkaris, the holy colors. We used to play in our childhood. Now I don't know. Okay then, how are you going to celebrate your Holi? Let me know. Wishing you all a very happy Holi in advance.